Okay, now you reach to glow effects. For example, you can assign it to image or your video. You can see we have a video something like this, and if you assign the glow on your video, it's glowing. If you go into its settings, it's glowing. You can see you can change your radio so that it's glow your shiny part of your video, something like that. And you can assign intensity of that. You can see it automatically detected the lights and the shiny part of your video, and it's glowing. Now you can see on each of these visual effects we have is in and is out. Now I want to explain them. You can see them. Okay, in visual effects, as I said before, you can assign the glow in a specific part of your video. Okay, you can see you can assign the glow on a specific part of your video. But if you do that, it boom suddenly glow and boom suddenly disappears. So if you want to this turning on or turning off goes smoothly, you can increase the number of is in, it's coming in, and is out with second. And now it's slowly glow, turn on, and slowly turn off. So is in and is out is for smoothing turn on. It means this is a glow. You can move it anywhere that you want, turn it on, and slowly turn it off if you increase the number in seconds. But don't go very further, okay? Small second. So anywhere in visual effects you see is in and is out. I didn't explain it to you because now you can better understand it in this visual effects. So other visual effects has that, so you can use it. And that's it.